grapevine was planted by my great-grandfather approximately 75 years ago. Every year, we pick the grapes and make grape jelly. As you can see, we've picked some here, and then I have someone come and he picks the remainder of the grapes in order to make wine. Okay, this is the prepared grape juice. In order to get this, we pick the grapes, clean them, boil them, smash them, and then strain them in cheesecloth in order to discard the skins. We've got the 5 cups of grape juice. We add the gelatin. We use Sure Gel, it's pretty simple. You just add 1 package into the grape juice and you have to stir consistently until this comes to a rapid boil. While we're preparing the juice with the pectin, we get our jars ready and we measure out 7 cups of white sugar. Okay, it's coming to a rapid boil. Our next step is to add the sugar. Okay, now we're adding 7 cups of sugar and we have to stir continuously. Okay, keep stirring. Okay. Now, once this is mixed in, we have to resume to a rapid boil for 1 minute. Okay, it's starting to come to a rapid boil and we have to time it for exactly 1 minute. Once we've got the jelly in the jars, we have to seal them tightly and turn them over.
In the biblical times, grapes were important culturally and economically, mainly used to make wine. The grapevine is mentioned more than any other plant in the Bible, and it is said that right after the great flood, Noah planted a vineyard. In Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 8, the vine is listed as one of the plants in the good land God promised to the nation of Israel. Grapes are a type of vine fruit that grow in a field called a vineyard. Vine plants are placed in rows evenly spaced 6 to 10 feet apart and 6 to 10 feet between each row. A wire trellis supports the vine while it grows, making it easier to care for and to harvest them. Vineyards produce an abundance of grapes when properly protected by fertilizers, herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides. Some risks to the crop would include birds, deer, and other animals that live near the vineyard. Nowadays, grapes are more commonly used in the production of jams, jellies, and juices, or dried as raisins. Vineyards can be found across the country, however, California produces about 90% of the nation's wine. Globally, vineyards can also be found in Italy, Spain, and France. Vineyards are very labor-intensive because they constantly require much work and maintenance in order to sustain a successful crop.